Hello, today I will talk about the topic cooking. To be honest, I don't really enjoy cooking. I find it takes a lot of time to go to the market and prepare things to cook. Additionally, I'm not good at cooking. I can cook only simple dishes, and I don't like washing dishes after eating. However, I do enjoy watching cooking shows on TV. MasterChef, for example. I have a 9 to 5 jobs and I am quite busy, so I often cook for myself in the morning and have lunch in the pantry of my company. Sometimes I also order food online for my dinner. When I was a kid, my mother mainly did the cooking in my family, and I help my mom with simple things like washing vegetables and setting the table. But now my mother no longer cooks. So my younger sister and I often cook in my family. Even though we don't cooking very well, my family was happy and eat all the food. I prefer eating outside to cooking at home because of many reasons. Eating out helps me save a lot of time and I can try many dishes in the restaurants. However, I find that it's important to know how to cook well. You can be sure about the quality of food compared to eating out. Home cooked is cheaper, and you can take better of yourself and your family. So I think we should cook at home frequently. That's all.